What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we got a special surprise by FitCam. Now, they hooked us up with a dash cam, which is 4K for this 2025 CRV. Guys, this is Dimolo's car, so you know who this is, the TPI. We are going to install this in his vehicle. Now, it's super cool because it came with this awesome pry tool, which they're super thoughtful of, so thank you, FitCam. They also came with this awesome dash cam that fits up to make it look original in the vehicle. Not only that, it comes with the memory card, it comes with this USB, and it also comes with this wire to hook everything up. A bunch of wires here. I think it also comes with a rear dash cam, which is in this as well. And it comes with a certain mount holder, and of course the instruction manual. Guys, let's get ready, let's install this, and it's gonna be awesome.
All right, Ryan, let's get this going.
This is our 2025 Honda CRV. We start by removing the upper trim bezels with the provided pry tools. This is our adapter cable. This is what will give us power from our vehicle to the front and rear dash cams. Now we carefully snake our wire throughout the car and tucked it into the headliner for a neat setup. Now we will reinstall our screws and tighten up all our top bezel pieces for that factory look. Next, the TPI will slightly remove the weather seals in order to snake our reverse camera wire from the front location to the rear. TPI carefully removes his plastic trim. Be very gentle because these clips can break. In order to make this setup look factory, we remove the protector loom to snake our rear camera wire in it. We use a guide wire to help us route our rear camera wire through the loom protector. We snake the wire through our hatch and then hook it up to our rear camera. Next, we clean our glass using our 3M glass cleaner, and we attach our rear camera. Now let's reinstall all our bezel pieces, our weather stripping, and neaten up the entire car and take this thing out for a test drive just to see how our camera quality looks. Download the FitCam app and get real-time views on your camera footage. It is amazing how good this quality is. It records in real time and records audio as well. And in case you guys are wondering, Ryan, TPI, what does this footage look like at night? Well, here it is. This is real life nighttime footage at 4K. It looks amazing. Man, this is awesome. FitCam, thank you so much for sending this out. I love it. Recording audio, real-time footage. This is great. Comes with a memory card. Hook it into your computer and get all your footage that you need. Sweet. Alrighty, guys, that is it. That's all that we have for today's episode. FitCam, thank you so much for sending this out. If you guys want to send us some more, we got other vehicles and we're definitely willing to accept it. So, guys, I'm going to leave this in the link in the description for y'all, so you guys can definitely click on this, get yours today. And thank you so much for sending out this mount. I know this belongs to the owner of the vehicle, but I'm actually going to keep it for myself because I need one. Other than that, guys, I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.